Hi, I'm Ron Johnson, CEO, founder, co-founder of Feathered Friends Forever Tropical Parrot Rescue in Harlem, Georgia. We're in year 18, starting year 19 now. We're the largest tropical parrot rescue in the United States, housing a little over 1,400 birds. We're the second largest in the world. The Dutch Parrot Rescue has a little over 2,000. We cover the better part of about 7 acres. Outdoor state-of-the-art flights where the birds get to be real birds. This is Pepper. She's one of my personal birds. She does rehab. She's a service bird holder, card holder. So we basically take her in and out of wherever we want to go. She has her own YouTube page of Pepper the Wonder Bird. You have to check it out. She does some fantastic tricks. So that's where we're at. We have a capacity of about 2,500 birds before we're full. And right now we're a little over 1,400. Come on out and visit us.